What is going on, guys? It is Rigor Mortis, and we are back with yet another video today. And very quickly, I just wanted to say thank you guys all so much for all the support you've been showing me on the channel. It's been absolutely fantastic being able to make these videos for you guys and put you guys on plays that I am into. As always, guys, if you're new around here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. A thumbs up is always appreciated, and a comment down below, as always, is one of my favorite things about YouTube, interacting with you guys in the comment section below. Today, what I wanted to do is very quickly talk about a stock that has gained a lot of traction recently. This was actually put on by one of my subscribers way back when this thing was like at 30 cents, and I didn't take advantage whenever he told me to buy. I think it was Michael Reyna that told me to buy it, if I am pronouncing your name correctly, Michael. And I didn't take that opportunity, and now the stock broke out a little bit. I wanted to talk to you guys about it today. That is Castor Maritime, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So, what does Castor Maritime do? What these guys specialize in is shipping of dry bulk goods across the ocean, essentially. So they have their fleet of ships and they do dry bulk shipping internationally. The company was founded in September 12th of 2017. They're in Cyprus, and their primary goal is to grow their fleet through acquisitions of new and modern vessels. So obviously, the bulk shipping industry is going to be around for a very long time, in my opinion. You can only carry so much things, across the ocean on particular vessels. So these ships are a necessary thing, and I think they're going to be around for a very long time as we continue to expand international trade and things of that nature. So I think they have a good business model that has longevity. So if we very quickly just look at their fleet so far, they have one, two, three, four, five, six ships in their fleet as of right now. So what's interesting about Castor is like they said in their description, not only do they have these fleets, they're always looking to acquire new fleets and expand on their existing fleet. So if we quickly look at their press releases here, right here, Castor Maritime, this is February 3rd of this year, announces vessel acquisition. If we go over here, another one, February 1st, here's some financing. So as you see here, they're always continually expanding and growing. They did have a direct offering back in January 8th of 2020 of just this year, last month, and they didn't do another one since then. It doesn't look like so. Maybe we're up for another direct offering. Who knows? But here on February 11th, this is one of their biggest press releases, in my opinion. They announced an in-block acquisition of two Aframax LR2 tankers with time charters attached. So like I said, these guys, they're always looking to expand. They're always looking to increase the number of ships in their fleet, which is why I gained interest in them. There's a lot of shipping companies, dry bulk shipping companies out there, but the thing I like about CTRM or Castor Maritime is that they're always looking to expand, which is why they caught my attention as well as my subscribers putting me on. So if we very just super quickly look at the price action, as you see, we have been kind of growing a little bit flat here. The previous close was $1.73. So I think the reason why it shot up like this was because of that announcement, and then it kind of just made its way back down as it died down a little bit. So it did jump up, quite a bit here around, you know, a little bit more than double here, all the way up to $1.81, and then it made its way back down. If we look at the 1 month chart, it was trending at around 30 cents. So this is about a month ago is whenever Michael put me on this stock, and I just didn't take that opportunity to buy. But man, since then it's just been going absolutely crazy. So 400% here, and then if we look at the overall, it's up 332%. So this thing is making a lot of moves, guys. So in terms of what I want to do with this stock, I think it's an interesting play because we've been talking a lot about these penny stocks, biopharmaceutical stocks. We're in the EV stocks, SPACs, all this type of stuff, and this is definitely a good way to diversify your portfolio. Now, of course, as always, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just here to put you guys on plays that I'm into, and I think that this one's an interesting one because I have been talking about a lot of these different stocks, and I feel as if my portfolio has become a little bit saturated when it comes to them. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to open a very small position. I shouldn't say very small, a good sized position in CTRM, and that's the ticker symbol, by the way, CTRM. I'm going to open a small position probably come Tuesday on open, and then from there, depending on how it moves, I'll either average down, or if some crazy announcement comes out, I might actually average up. But that's just what I'm going to be doing personally. Of course, you have to take a look at your portfolio and say, okay, what do I want to do when it comes to CTRM? A lot of you guys are probably in this stock already because of the way that it's been moving and the hype that it's been accumulating. So I want to know your thoughts down below first and foremost, because this like a ZOM situation where you kind of want to sell and then kind of buy back in as it continues to dip down, or are you holding off strong? strong because you see that there's great outlook in this company. Me personally, I feel as if it's probably the latter. I mean, this company is well established. It's not something that we're anticipating is going to have a very huge, big catalyst in the near or long term future. It's just one of those things that might be a steady grower here once it hits a particular target. So I'm interested in this company. It's a relatively young company, but they have a good track record. They are expanding, and I think they might be able to do well, not only in the short term but in the long term. So at $1.50, give or take, I think that's a reasonable price for me to enter at personally. So I'll probably be doing so come Tuesday. If it dips down even further, if somehow, some way it goes down to around $1.25, I'll probably can be continually buying in. And if it shoots up to $2.50, then I'm happy. I'm probably not going to take profits, but if we start approaching that, double up our money, if it goes to like $3 or $3.50, that's whenever I'll be considering taking a little bit of profits, leaving the rest of my shares in, and then letting those ride out. But of course, as always, guys, I want to hear your thoughts and opinions about this stock down below, because this is always a two-way street. I really like Castor. I think they're into some really, really neat markets here, and I think it's a good way to diversify my portfolio personally. Let me know what you guys think down below. I appreciate you guys watching. Peace out.